The race for the future starts right here in China. This is where our journey begins, in a country that's rapidly becoming the heart of a new technological era. We're talking about robots, smart cities, and cutting-edge innovation. And no, this isn't science fiction. It's real. From massive factories to sleek, high-tech labs, what we're seeing is nothing less than the future in action. But here's the big question. Can China actually pull ahead of the United States? That's the rivalry we're diving into. To understand it, we have to look deeper into China, beyond the headlines. This isn't just the world's factory anymore. It's transforming into an innovation powerhouse, a place where breakthrough ideas are born, tested, and launched at a scale that's hard to imagine, one invention at a time. Take Shenzhen. Not too long ago, this was just a quiet fishing village. Today, it's one of the most advanced cities on the planet, often called the Silicon Valley of the East. It's become a hub for AI, robotics, and futuristic tech. And the mindset here, build fast, build bold, build things the world hasn't seen yet. And when it comes to humanoid robots, China isn't just building smarter machines, they're working to replicate human behavior and emotion. Engineers are developing AI systems that can read facial expressions, interpret tone of voice, and even simulate empathy. The goal isn't to replace people, it's to create robots that can naturally assist in real-life social settings. Think elderly care, classrooms, or even mental health support. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence is advancing faster than anyone expected. In some Chinese labs, robots are learning by watching, literally observing humans and copying their actions. Folding laundry, understanding body language, analyzing speech for stress or emotion. This isn't just pre-coded response. It's adaptive learning, quiet, steady progress, and it's changing what machines are capable of. But as exciting as all this is, there's a deeper layer to it: responsibility. Around the world, scientists and ethicists are wrestling with the big questions. How do we make sure AI is used safely? How much independence should these systems have? What happens when the line between human and machine starts to blur? These aren't movie plot lines anymore. They're real-world challenges. And if we want the future to serve us, not the other way around, we'll need to shape it carefully, wisely, and together. Let's head to Shenzhen, China, a city that feels like tomorrow has already arrived. This isn't just another industrial powerhouse. It's the epicenter of the global electric vehicle revolution, where innovation moves faster than traffic. At the heart of it all is BYD, a company that might still be flying under the radar for some Americans, but not for long. It's now officially the largest electric car maker in the world, bigger than Tesla, bigger than anyone. But rewind to 1995, and BYD was something else entirely. Just a modest battery company with no factories, no fanfare, and only a small team chasing a big dream. Fast forward to today, and they're rolling out some of the most advanced EVs on the market, including a luxury model that costs a staggering $250,000. This vehicle doesn't just drive. It moves, shakes, brakes on its own, and comes fully loaded with futuristic in-car entertainment. It's not just a car, it's a statement about where the future is headed. And they're not stopping at electric cars. BYD also manufactures hybrids and is breaking barriers with next-generation charging tech. One of their fast chargers delivers 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. Let that sink in. 5 minutes. That's faster than most gas station visits, and no other company is even close to matching that speed. So what makes BYD different? Simple, they make their own batteries. While most automakers rely on outside suppliers, BYD controls the entire battery production process. In the past year alone, they sold over 4 million vehicles, powered by their in-house blade-style lithium iron phosphate batteries. These are long, slim, ultra-safe, and so effective that even rival companies are now using them. But here's the real twist: this didn't happen overnight. BYD's story started in a tiny apartment, and when they entered the car market in 2003, most of the auto industry mocked them. Even Elon Musk publicly dismissed them. But today, the tables have turned, and BYD is leading in markets where Tesla is still trying to catch up. Now, the company employs over 1 million people, including 100,000 engineers. Their facilities are lined with patents, and their EVs are now on the roads in over 70 countries, especially in emerging markets like Brazil and Thailand. Step inside BYD's mega factory, and it feels like a sci-fi movie set. Everything is high speed and highly automated. Robots assemble vehicles with precision, and a new car rolls off the line every single minute. That's about 1,400 cars per day. And they're not just making cars, they're also building urban trains, like the Sky Shuttle, now operating in cities such as Sao Paulo. Even the city of Shenzhen has transformed. It's gone nearly all electric. Look at the license plates. Green plates mean electric. Blue plates mean gas. It's a visual shift, one that literally lets you see who's driving the future and who's stuck in the past.